making some curry goat. I had actually seasoned it up from yesterday and had it in this bag. So now I am cooking it up. I'll probably make some rice and peas too, right about now. Yeah, I'm gonna make some rice and peas. So it's a whole curry goat for this right now. Some extra onion. I'll probably throw more in there as well. I'm just like the onion, like seasoning. Time on everything in there is just that when blend them out and put in some extra habanero. Yeah. And blend up the seasoning so you can't really see much of it. So I actually have a piece of. You can actually smell the goat right now too. Smell nice. Yes, yes. I'm gonna cook some rice and peas and come back.